This girl deliberately spills paint all over the table and spreads it everywhere. Then she brings the paint and brush over to this boy and sets them down. After that, the girl comes and sits on the table while another girl sneaks up behind. The girls start making fun of her. The boy gets up and notices how the paint got on her stomach. The girl gets angry and sees that the paint is right there. Then she sits down on the boy's lap and the other girls start getting jealous. When she stands up, the boy's whole shirt is covered in paint. Before seeing what happens next, if you had to choose between your mom on one side and money on the other, who would you pick? If you're like me and choose your mom, then like this video right now, subscribe to the channel and comment, "I love you, Mom." After liking and subscribing, tap remix and type, "Use this sound." Some magic will happen. Then the boy lets the girl sit on him again. The other boys start feeling jealous and he even ties his t-shirt around her and lifts her up.